Changing the iPhone language on your iPhone 15 allows you to customize your device's interface to your preferred language, making navigation and usage more comfortable and accessible. Here's how it's done. First, navigate to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, scroll down and tap on General. In the succeeding menu, tap on Language and Region. To add a new language, tap on Add Language. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find your desired language. Then tap on the language you want to add. To use the selected language, simply tap on Use Language. Otherwise, tap on Use English. To change the primary language, go through to the Preferred Languages list. Then touch and hold the 3 lines next to the language you want to make primary. Drag it to the top of the list, then tap. Continue to confirm the change. Your iPhone will now switch to the new primary language. To remove a language, swipe left on the language you want to remove, then tap, delete, then continue to confirm. Remember, changing your iPhone's language will affect all system texts and many apps, but won't change the language of your content or third-party apps that don't support the selected language. This feature on your iPhone 15 allows you to tailor your device's language settings to your preferences, making it more user-friendly and accessible for multilingual users. And that's it! Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.